Talofa everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today me and Chullora, we are having KFC, guys. We both got the Singer box. I only copied her because I didn't know what to get. I was going to get me a 2-piece feed, but I thought it looks boring. So I thought I'd copy her because hers got stuff in it. Like extra food, I think. And our drink today is Sunkist, guys. This orange drink. I've got my glass here with a bit of water. I like to add a bit of water so it's not so, fizzy. Yeah, so we got a tub of gravy each. KFC gravy is pretty nice, I think there's a gravy in here. Yeah, it's a potato and gravy. Oh, yes. Because I thought, we got a tub of gravy. Then we got another tub of gravy. So I thought... But anyway, if it's gravy and mashed potato, that's good. Yeah, and then I got the KFC coleslaw. I asked Chullora if she wanted some. She said no. So, guys, let us have our prayer first and get it done. Oh, yeah, I just want to say something. We went to the petrol station. We got some Krispy Kreme. Hello. Yeah. Okay, fail. Anyway... You guys did not see that tip over sideways. Anyway, guys, prayer time. Okay, time to pour my drink. Off you go, Chullora. You can do whatever you want to do. As for me,
I am breaking my box.
Okay, you break away. Break away. I did bring me a straw.
You did?
Yes.
Why didn't you get me a straw?
Oh, because there was only one more left. Bing. You know when you get your takeaways other days and you got extras, I always put mine in the drawer. So when it's time like this. Anyway, guys, cheers.
This is my favorite part of the whole thing is I get to break my box.
It's nice to mix a bit of water. Anyway, oh guys, I had added me a thigh. Woohoo! Thigh and galo. Oh, delicious. Okay, and I didn't bring me out. Okay. Anyway,
You get that and
yeah, you pull it while I twist it. Okay. See, this is teamwork, guys. Teamwork. Yeah.
Oh yeah, my breaker box.
Yeah, here we go. Ta-da! Hello. Look at our food, guys. Look. See the extra fry on the top? And the Singer pieces of chicken. This is the gravy and mashed potato. I'll put this here and we get a burger with it. What kind of burger? I don't know.
That's mine.
It's this burger?
Yeah.
Is it yours? Yeah, less lettuce. She custom made her one.
Yeah, I put supercharge on my burger.
Where's my supercharge?
You don't like spicy?
Oh, no, thank you. Yeah, and she asked for less lettuce, and that's mine. See how there's no yellow sauce, but the first burger I showed you had a yellow sauce? I feel discriminated not having some of the yellow sauce.
You don't hack it.
Yeah, I probably won't hack it. Had some clothing malfunction there, but it's all fixed up now.
So, originally, we weren't going to have KFC. We were going to have, what's it called? I think it's called Mate Burger. It's like this place in Old Mount Druitt, for those who are local. Yeah, we're going to have that for our mukbang. But then we got there, and it was closed. So, now we're having this.
Yeah, because sometimes during the day, they're open. And so we went to today, they weren't open, but they were open at 5 o'clock. What? We ain't got time to wait around to 5 o'clock. So we decided KFC. And that's a good second choice, plan B. That's a Singer. Didn't it used to be darker in colour before?
Sure. depends on how they cook it. Did you know the coating, like, for this is the exact same thing as the thing for their patty? I know that because I used to work there.
These are nice. A bit chilly. And not.
Oh yeah, it's a spicy good one. We don't get to talking until like after we eat. That's when we start laughing.
Well, I like to eat first. Anyway, I hope you guys are having something nice to eat. Far out, eh, guys? Samoa got their first Prime Minister, female Prime Minister. That's a big change. Let alone a new Prime Minister, but a female Prime Minister? Oh. That's a big change, all right.
I wasn't even paying attention. Okay.
What happened, sweetheart?
I wasn't even paying attention. You said they got a new Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Do they get one every like 4 years?
I don't know, but they had an election a few days ago, and then, oh no, they had an election last week, and on Monday, that's when they came out with who actually won. Some coleslaw. When we first moved to Australia in 1991, my husband's first job here was working inside KFC salad, making coleslaws.
I like the factory.
And there was a point, and there was a time that my husband's boss kind of wanted my husband to be a supervisor, but he didn't have his papers. It was odd because wouldn't they want to train the person? So I don't know. But what was funny, they didn't make him supervisor, but they kind of asked him to teach people and do what supervisor, does. So, oh well. And my husband didn't mind. He just liked that he was being asked to do it. I used to be a supervisor back in New Zealand, and then he bought his paperwork for that, a paper that shows that he's the supervisor. Oh. But moving around, he lost it. So, and where he used to work, it closed down not long after we left New Zealand.
Would you rather have nosy neighbours or noisy neighbours?
Nosy neighbours. I rather have nosy neighbours because I wouldn't want noisy neighbours.
Yeah, I would rather have nosy neighbours.
Yeah, what would you guys want? Nosy neighbours will catch a thief out. if they try and come and rob your house. Because they'll be at the curtain, the drapes, looking out. But noisy neighbours, no way. Because that means if they do it too much party hardy, I'll have to send Chullora over.
To party with them?
That's not the reason why I'm sending you over, okay? She'll probably go over. Excuse you. And she comes flying over. They shock her home.
Oh, okay. Would you rather put a stop to war or end world hunger?
Oh, what a tricky question. Hang on, wait. Stop to war or end world hunger. I think I'll stop to war. Stop war. Yeah. Then there's no more people getting killed for nothing.
No.
And war, a lot of innocent lives get lost. And world hunger, hopefully, outside help can come and help them, but there's no more war, Yeah, no more war. Enough wine. And so many people overseas have lost their life from the war.
No, where'd it go?
What's your answer to that?
I don't know. I would... stop world hunger.
Okay, they get all fed, but then the bombs are all that happening around them and stuff like that. So they're going to die full tummies. Is that what you're saying?
I don't know. Hey, would you rather be the most popular person at work or be the smartest person at school? Wait, what? No, hold on. I don't really... Would you rather be the most popular person at work or school or the smartest?
Of course, smartest.
So are they asking me, would I rather be the most popular person at work or the smartest person at school?
Smartest.
Yeah, I would be the smartest because then I would become like the CEO because I'm so smart. Then I'll be rich. Money.
And this girl sees dollar signs. Ka-ching, ka-ching.
Would you rather die before or after your partner?
I don't know. That answer is not up to me to decide. But if I have to answer it, your dad's older than me. Your dad's older than me. Thank you very much.
So what's the answer?
Well, like I said, if I have to answer, I mean, okay, put it this way. I don't know if Dad can look after you properly if I go first. Well, just because you guys are older now, but I'm just saying, but, because guys, these kids, even though they love and adore their father, sometimes they don't listen to him. And then he comes and snitches to me about them. He'll come and say, darling, they're not listening. And I go, whose fault is that? Because I used to say to him, fussy them.
Yeah, give them a hiding.
Because I used to say to him, fussy them. Put them in line or yell at them. Sort them out. Tell them straight. Use your voice, you know.
Okay.
I know.
No, this is the situation. My dad will come and ask one of us to do something. He'll be like, yeah. And then if it's not done that second, he will waddle to my mum and be like, Daddy, these kids aren't listening. And then my mum will be like, just give them a hiding. That's it. But then if my mum were to come and ask us, like, go do something, we'll get off straight away because she's scary.
No. Because I demand that they listen.
And
Makes life easier. Right, guys?
It's not even just that. She's the type to give you a hiding if you don't listen.
Yeah.
My dad's not the type to give you a hiding if you don't listen. He'll go to my mum and hope she does something.
Yeah. Yeah. And if he causes the problem and the kids get a hide, he'll run and hide.
Yeah.
So he doesn't look bad in front of his
feel
kids.
guilty.
Yeah. He'll snitch on them and then run and hide. Yeah. I laugh at that, man. Now, this is why that answer came when she asked that question. Because I don't know if this man's going to be able to take care of my kids when I'm not here. Plus, he's older.
No. Okay. Would you rather go on a cruise with your friends or your spouse? So your partner. What?
Trying to think. That's a serious question, guys. Now, do I want to have a boring time or do I want to have a good time?
Okay, who's going to give you the boring time?
Dad. I think I'll go, yeah. I was going to pick my husband, but I think, nah, too boring. Then I have to look after him and stuff like that. Nah, I'll go with my buddies. Yeah. Good answer. You know they say on Wheel of Footy, good answer, good answer. Yeah, that's my good answer. What about you? Who? Maria?
Did you hear the question? It was either go with your partner or go with your friends.
Yeah, I'll go with my friends.
I'll go with my partner. I'm just joking. I don't got a partner. I'll go with my friends. I've never been on a cruise. You should take me on a cruise. Apparently they're cute.
I just said I don't want to babysit. So if I don't want to babysit your dad...
I'm an independent woman. If you don't know much about me, I'm an independent woman. If I want something, I will wander off by myself and go get it. And then I'll come back with like... So really, if we're on a cruise, I wouldn't even be with you. I'll just wander off and go explore by myself.
Yeah, but that means that I'll have to come and look for you. And if I can't find you, and when I find you, I will have to fussy you.
You can call me.
And that ruins my holiday.
You can text me. Where are you? I'm like, level 4. At
Level
the bar.
4.
At the bar. Anyway.
We better watch it,
Can
huh?
I get the donuts, please?
No.
Oh, okay. Would you rather go deep sea diving or bungee jumping?
Is there option 3? This girl's trying to get me killed, guys. Is there an option 3? Okay. So bungee jumping, you go one dive. And you have to do your prayers before that. One dive and risk your life. Or be in the sea with sharks and all the other scary fishy come and chomp you up. And you drown.
And then you die.
Okay. Bungee jumping is even though I know I'll leave my insides at the top while I dive down with an empty body. Okay, don't have to get serious with your looks. Anyway, guys, I'll do the bungee jumping. That was the top of your lid.
Yeah,
You know what? That's karma for pulling your face when I was saying, what were you pulling your face for?
Don't zoom in, just have it like normal.
Yeah, so bungee jumping it is, guys. Bungee jumping it is.
Yeah, I get so scared so easily.
What would you do? Bungee jumping?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah, definitely. Take one shot, but in the water, no way. You either drown, the shark come and bite you.
Or you have a good time and you just go and then have a go.
No, I don't think it's gonna be.
Bungee jumping seems cool. You know what's funny? I'm afraid of heights, but like, that seems cool. I would do that. I wouldn't jump out of a plane. Skydiving? No.
No.
I would not do that.
No way.
Well, if I got paid to do it. So it's all about money.
My son Jerome, he done
Oh yeah.
jump out of the plane, but he said that the goggles were so tight on, so I think they tighten it so it doesn't swing off your face, and then you're gonna have connection with the wind for your eyes. But yeah, probably that's the reason. But when he told me his goggles were so tight on, I was thinking, God, Faye. That means he's not looking at whatever's down there that he's going to land on if the parachutes don't come out.
Okay. Would you rather lose your keys or lose your phone?
The key is for what?
House key, car key. We don't know the key.
Okay. Well, is the best set at home?
No, you got one key for your house, car, or you lose your phone.
Okay. Is it an expensive phone or a cheap phone?
It's your iPhone XYZ.
Oh. Then, what would you do? What would you...
My keys. I'll lose my keys.
Bello, yeah. Bello, yeah. You know that's not true.
Yes, it is.
No. You know that's not true. You'll be stressing out you've lost your phone, okay?
No. You didn't listen. I said that I would lose my keys. I would lose my keys and then have my phone.
Yeah, no. Oh, what did you say? You'll lose your keys?
Yeah. And I'll just have my phone. I would prefer to lose my keys, mother. That's mine.
Oh, I thought just the other one because I thought there's no way you'd rather keep your keys.
You know me too well, mother. Okay, wait. Let's do another one.
Oh, how about that?
Would you rather work in a group or work alone?
Work in a group, I reckon.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? I would rather work alone.
Why?
Because I'm just that type of person. I would rather be by myself than be with a bunch of people. Can I please get a donut?
Yeah. Wait for my answer first.
Sure, babes. You go.
I'd rather work with a group of people. Then the work becomes lighter on yourself. Okay? But if you work by yourself and you got a few work to do, yeah, that's what you get. Someone that's going to struggle and strain and stress. Okay. Now let's see what's in here. Did you get my favorite?
I don't know. What is it?
How do you don't know?
What's your,
There it is. You did. You did.
what's your favourite?
The pink one.
Oh.
See, guys, you know the usual crispy, creamy.
The glaze one's mine.
There you go.
Okay. Tick the box. Wait.
Did you say please?
Please.
Okay. Cheers. Ding. Cheers, guys. Yeah, have a bite.
I'm not going to eat for the rest of the day.
Okay. If you believe that, guys, no, don't. She's not going to eat for the rest of the day, but she's not talking about the night. It's so nice. You know what I'm looking forward to? I'm looking forward to Desiree's mom being on their channel. I'm looking forward to it. Because I hear really good things about Desiree's mom. My daughter really likes her mum-in-law. So that's good. Gives me a good feeling that she's a good woman.
Have you never met her?
No.
Yeah, she is nice.
So, Desiree's family, they're more, outgoing, talkative, and, like they're fun. My kids, on the other hand, they, But Chullora's the only one that's, oh, and Damien, my son.
No, but sometimes I can get like that, where I'm like shy. Rarely, but I can get like that.
Desiree's siblings go, oh, when am I going to be on? And I think, what about me? Why can't my kids ask me things like that? Yeah. So, that's another one. That's another thing I look forward to when they have their visitors go on their channel. That's Desiree and Sharon Eats. So they're doing pretty good. I'm so proud of them. So guys, you'll have heaps to watch on their channel because they're gonna have some outgoing, outspoken people on there. Unlike unlike my other kids. I asked him, "You want to be on my channel?" No, Mum.
It's just on camera they're shy. No, not even just on camera.
They're shy on camera, shy in the bathroom, shy in front of TV, shy when they're eating their food, shy.
No, no.
Shy me uma. And they say me shy yai. Hey, I feel like I could come away if I could be. You have a copy bike. What I man shy.
No allowed.
Because I just told them the truth.
No, that's not the truth, because your kids...
Do you know what the truth was?
No, because I understand you, but your kids aren't shy unless it's, like, in public or on camera.
Anyway, she doesn't know what I said, but that's the truth. Yeah. Anyway, I've just finished my day. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for all your followers' comment. I went today. Did I film? Oh yeah, I went today. To take my mum because their bus, broke down.
Oh, that's why you're doing them.
So I went to get my mum. Oh, I took my mum in the morning, and then I picked her up. Then we went to try and get some Jollibee. Is it Jollibee? Or Jollibee?
It's called My Mate. Oh, Mate.
Mate Burger.
Mate Burger. My Mate.
But they sell Jollibee. Jollibee? Jollibee.
No.
Jolly Bumblebee. Anyway, guys. Yeah, they sell that spaghetti and chicken wings, and I felt like that. I felt like having some. So I went there, got the door. Yeah, they locked the door. So, anyway, because when I went to park, I said to this one here, "Are they open? Have a look. And she looks over and she goes, "Yep, they're open." I thought, yeah. Got out, almost in the front door, and the sign goes, "Shame." It was locked, closed, gone, kaput. This one over here I took 6 steps to get there. And if she gawked the goggle eyes, I wouldn't have to get out of the car. Anyway. Guys.
No, we also went dentist, remember?
But, oh.
Oh. What? What?
I just noticed I'm chewing on the left side.
Is it sore?
No.
Oh, good on that man.
Yeah. So, we went there, and he just fixed what he had to fix, and now it feels better. So, praise the good Lord.
Sorry guys, I'm not as active in today's video. I'm a bit tired. I had a long night last night.
That's sleepy. She had a long night.
Me acting like I didn't have like 9 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
But I'm still tired.
Sometimes when you have a long sleep, hey, you can wake up
Yeah,
still really tired.
Yeah,
like,
that's how I'm feeling right now.
I'm trying to tell a story.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what I mean, eh, guys? And sometimes when you have a power nap, you wake up and you feel like a spring chicken, you know? Ready to bounce around.
You know what's funny? I can have like an 8-hour sleep. Wake
Maria. Huh?
She's interrupting me.
Be
Again.
quiet. I'm talking to my mama. Maria. Yeah. Nah?
What? She's saying.
Just ask her if she's all right.
Oh.
Yeah, I gave her food before we ate. Because I always feed her before we eat. Oh, I wouldn't feel good if she didn't eat first. Yeah. Because that's how you do it, guys. In Polynesian custom and culture, you take care of your elders. You know? You have to make sure they're okay. Make sure they're comfortable. Make sure they're fed. And make sure they're not cheeky. My mom's cheeky. Yeah, my mom likes to mock. Her and I, she can come up with some dry jokes. Ending it here, I'm just saying, hey, you got a lot of drink left.
Do you want it?
No, come on.
Yeah, I was just checking.
Anyway. Baby. Anyway, that's the end. That's the end for me and Chullora. Chullora wasn't there talking to her today.
Sorry.
No, she said she had nearly about 12 hours sleep, and she's
It wasn't
tired.
good enough for me.
Wasn't good enough for her, but I tell you what, guys, I'm gonna find her something so she can stay occupied,
No.
and that's cleaning this away. Wait, you're cleaning this away. You know, the other day, guys, I said to her, you clean this away. She took 2 stuff and took off in the room and never came back. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me and Chullora today. It's always a pleasure to, you know, be opposite you guys. And I hope you guys are well, you know. There's no problem in your fellow family. You guys are all right. You know, because everyone has their problems, and everyone, you know, have financial problems, health problems and stuff like that. But, you know, and God willing, you guys are all well, you know. It's always God that we look upon for help, you know. But for now, guys, me and Chullora's going to go. I'm going to go and hang out with my mum. Chullora's going to hang around here for a little bit before she tidies up. And we'll see you another time, eh, guys? Take care. Kia manuia, mia manuia tō aso. Whawhtai leo mai asi mai, ma ewa mai a ma uma Chullora lea. Lea kaunga e ka pengo umala pisi e ave i oe. Ai ave ia me isi mea ai e mako cat lei whafo. E whapea cat, Faye e lau vaenga i ngō nge ia mala mea ai mukbang. E sila kele e masau mea ai. Le lau ale Faye. Aho ke popole, le la solo sister e whawhanga oe. But for now, fast for guys.
Bye, guys.
Take care.